What are tribal courts and how do they operate today? Imagine a court where the traditions and laws of a Native American tribe shape every decision. That's what tribal courts are all about. They are special legal systems run by tribes within the United States, handling justice on tribal lands. These courts show the tribe's sovereignty, meaning they govern themselves without interference from state courts. Tribal courts deal with many cases, like family disputes, civil disagreements, and some crimes involving tribal members. Their jurisdiction usually covers offenses committed by or against tribal members on tribal land. Serious federal crimes or cases involving non-Indians often fall under federal or state courts. The boundaries of what each court can handle are set by federal laws and treaties, which sometimes overlap. This makes navigating tribal, federal, and state courts a bit complex. The structure of tribal courts can be quite different from one tribe to another. Some have formal trial and appellate courts, while others may use tribal councils or elders to make legal decisions. Judges can be tribal members or legal professionals appointed by the tribe. Their selection depends on the tribe's rules. Many tribal courts incorporate traditional values and customs into their procedures. They often focus on restoring harmony through peacemaking circles, community service, and healing ceremonies instead of just punishing wrongdoers. Tribal courts operate under tribal constitutions and codes created by the tribes themselves. Federal laws like the Indian Civil Rights Act give some protections to people in tribal courts, such as rights to a fair trial, legal representation, and due process. The Tribal Law and Order Act of 2010 gave tribal courts more authority and resources. This helps them work better with federal and state agencies to fight crime and violence in tribal communities. In the courtroom, tribal courts look familiar but also unique. They have judges, lawyers, and court staff, but they also include elders or traditional leaders in decision-making. The focus is on community well-being and respecting tribal customs. Tribal courts play a vital role in keeping order, protecting tribal sovereignty, and delivering justice that aligns with tribal values. Understanding tribal courts means recognizing their special status as sovereign entities. They handle cases within their own jurisdiction and blend formal legal rules with cultural practices. For anyone involved, it's important to know that navigating these courts requires understanding tribal laws and respecting tribal governance. Tribal courts are a key part of the American legal system, offering a way for tribes to govern themselves and serve their communities.